Every Kaspa holder must watch this as soon as possible. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to see lots of things around Kaspa, and not only. Initially guys, on this video we will start with the Kaspa price, then we're going to move to the rank, to the market cap, to the Hashrate, into the categories, into the top 10 addresses. Then we're going to move to the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. Also we will see this analyst that predicts Kaspa set to outshine Bitcoin. I will tell you my opinion to this, and also I will reply to your question if actually Kaspa ETFs are coming. Okay, it's actually that soon as most people say. I will tell you my opinion to that. Also guys, I will thank you from the bottom of my heart on this video for this insane first live stream with 838 likes, above 6,000 views. It's above 6,000 views at this moment. It's insane guys what you did yesterday. I will tell you, I will thank you also on this video, and much more things, and why this video is actually a must to see, because the current situation maybe is gonna be a big trap. I will explain you everything. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before continuing, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel, because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's start with the Kaspa price. Okay, let's take the things from the beginning. Guys, as you can clearly see, Kaspa today is standing at 13 cents. Yesterday we touched actually the 14 cents. As I told you, like in the live stream, I told you if actually Kaspa broke the symmetrical triangle. The funny thing is that you told me, yeah, it broke. Is at 13 cents, 0.6. So I told you that this shows that maybe we will touch an imminent the 14 cents, and actually we touched that. Actually, when I closed the live stream, I saw Kaspa at 14 cents, and I was laughing, because guys, this was obvious. I told you that if Bitcoin will break out and move straight to $39,000, Kaspa, because it's moving alongside, will follow. But I told you to do not expect something huge, because the maximum that I can see here is 16 cents. Okay, but if Bitcoin will surpass the $40,000. So this current position of Kaspa, it's very obvious for me. Okay, it's we are moving with a real price action. Okay, and guys, this pump cannot happen actually, because as I told you, even if Bitcoin will move to $41,000, Kaspa is already in a very big price, and the demand right now from the big institutions, okay, to buy from institutional investors, I mean, not institutions, it's not so high. Okay, the demand is not so high. Who's gonna actually dump here in the top of Kaspa multi-million investment? No one. I don't say like there is no probability to happen. There is probability to happen, but I believe it won't happen. I give more odds to a scenario that no one will have interest to buy here. So in a potential pump of Bitcoin to $42,000, maybe the maximum here is going to be at 16 cents, except if we're going to see fundamental news. Okay, exchange listing, spot trading from a big top tier 1 exchange. That's why I believe that maybe first we will see a reversal, and then the big institutional investors will buy. Okay, they would like to buy cheaper and not in the top to get wrecked, like from retail investors and from traders, whatever. Okay, anyway, we will speak for these things in a very few. Kaspa, as I told you, since the last 24 hours, it's 2.1% up. Okay, also in the technical side, we will explain this symmetrical triangle that played out. We will see in a few. Guys, 2.1% the last 24 hours. The rank remains 27, very powerfully. Okay, we were actually at rank 28, right now 27. You can clearly see the power of Kaspa, not backed by any top tier exchange. We are ranking like crazy. you can receive Kaspa right now will do only one top tier exchange, big top tier exchange, like only Binance, only Coinbase, only crypto.com, something like that. Guys, Kaspa will flip all of these coins. I believe it's gonna get straight to rank 23. Just to know that here it's only the beginning. Okay, I don't want to tell you the scenario that like to see 5 exchange listings in 1 month, top tier exchanges. Okay, because we are not backed by any single top tier exchange at this moment. Actually, this list is gonna happen back to back. Okay, in the upcoming month. So be ready, because you can potentially see so big explosion into Kaspa that will flip maybe all of these coins, and maybe we can potentially see Kaspa touching the top 10 earlier than we think. Okay, I believe we will be very close to touch this Dogecoin position, like top 11, top 12 very soon, top 13 very soon. Okay, fasten your seatbelts. It can happen. It can happen. I believe Kaspa will be under top 15 before the BTC halving. Okay, and to be more conservative, for sure, I highly believe under top 20. Exchanges will list Kaspa, and that's imminent. We don't need votes, we don't need fundraisers. It's a matter of time, because it's also very profitable project for the exchanges, because it has so big volume. So exchanges, as you know, when you buy, they got some fees from your purchase, so they would like to have Kaspa to provide you this service and get paid. Okay, this is why exchanges get paid, and also get paid from withdrawals and deposits and all of these things. Anyway, so this is the current situation. Market cap, as I told you, 3 billion, very powerfully. And let's move, guys, straight right now into the hash rate, because hash rate today is new 88. I told you this scenario. Okay, if you go back in my videos, you will see that I told you Kaspa hash rate will be above 3 digits in the middle days of December. Last days of November and early days of December, we will start the increasement of the hash rate every day, new 88s. And right now, this is what's happening now. Kaspa is in a daily increasement into new 88s, and we will see that. Okay, we will see that in a continuation every single day, new 88s from a hash rate. Okay, we can clearly see today we are 88.54 petahash per second. The current hash rate is 85.33 petahash per second, very stable above 85. Super bullish. This means that the upcoming days it's gonna be easy peasy to touch the 100 petahash per second. Even maybe we will touch that before the 15th of December. I told you that in the middle days of December we will have 3 digits. Maybe we will go before the 10th of September to see 3 digits, because this is already very bullish. And in the 4 days, guys, we have the next reduction. Okay, like from 156 Kaspa coins, we will go to 147 Kaspa coins, and the total supply that's already mined is 75.4%, the current total supply. So as you understand, this is also really bullish. I love a lot the rapid emission schedule of Kaspa. All the coins of Kaspa will be out by 2037, not so far away as Bitcoin at 2140. Okay, that they're gonna have actually all the Bitcoins out. Anyway, let's go straight into the addresses, because as you can clearly see right now are in increasement of 268,502 addresses today. Really bullish. Actually, since yesterday we gained approximately 700 within 800, and the distribution happened like with crabs 264, octopus addresses 290 addresses, fish addresses 167, dolphin addresses 44, and shark addresses 12. We lost one shark address that I believe became split it out into 2 shark addresses. I hope it happened like that. Okay, anyway, let's move straight into the top 10 addresses here. As you can clearly see, nothing changed significantly since the last 2 days, because yesterday I didn't actually create a video for the analysis, for the update. I did the live stream and the face reveal of Satoshi Nakamoto. Anyway, guys, today KuCoin 914 million, Kaspa coins. Get.io remains the same, 680 million Kaspa coins. Mixi 463 million Kaspa coins, and Uphold 357 million Kaspa coins. As you can clearly see, the same. Guys, since I told you that you should liquidate KuCoin, I saw a decreasement. That's really bullish. Okay, let's liquidate Mixi to do not let Mixi got that much power. 4.2% of the total supply. We must liquidate that. Okay, if you have like your funds in KuCoin or your Kaspa on KuCoin, or you don't have problem with KYC, guys, withdraw into a cold storage immediately. Like, we must get the power of KuCoin wallet in our hands. Okay, and here I lost the okay, I get it back. Anyway, we must actually liquidate that, and we must drop this wallet back to 500 million Kaspa coins. And actually at the same time, this is gonna make KuCoin to go and buy more Kaspa coins, because right now KuCoin can say, okay, I'm good, I don't need more Kaspa coins. But if you're gonna liquidate that, they would have to buy, because they're gonna say, whoa, this is profitable. Okay, that people are buying crazy and create massive volume here. So go and liquidate it and get your Kaspa out of exchanges to liquidate them. We need Kaspa into the people's hands, not into institutional investor hands. Don't let it manipulate the price so easy. Anyway, guys, right now I would like to thank you so much for what happened yesterday. Guys, it was far beyond any single expectation that I could ever possibly imagine for my first live stream. Like, the comments were non-stop and from different guys. Like, every single comment was almost from a different guy, and I lost more than 5 times bombs of comments. So sorry for that. It happened by mistake. I tried a lot to do not miss a comment, but it was too many. Like, it was crazy. The support, it was insane. Like 838 likes in my first live stream. Crazy, guys. Like above 6,000 views the last 21 hours of this live stream. Insane. Like still I cannot believe it. Like, it was insane. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate you. Seriously, I mean a lot these words. Okay, I don't say that just a thank you without any meaning behind. I say that with my hand in my heart. Okay, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This means a lot to me. Okay, this gave me so much motivation to keep going, and we will show to the world who is real, who is not, and that's on the beginning. I promise to you from the bottom of my heart. Okay, I promise to you this is on the beginning. Thank you guys a lot. Appreciate you for what happened yesterday. And let's continue to the technical side, guys. Into this TA side of Kaspa, I gave you before 3 days this symmetrical triangle of Kaspa. I told you it's imminent to break either to the upside or either to the downside. And due to the reason that I told you that Kaspa is moving alongside with Bitcoin, we must actually observe very closely the Bitcoin price too. And Bitcoin, guys, lately, the last couple hours, actually pumped even more to a new 88 in a short time frame, okay, to $39,000, and that obviously pushed the price of Kaspa to break this symmetrical triangle to the upside. But to remind you a couple words that I said, this symmetrical triangle actually has a technical price target at 16 cents. That is also a rational target from a fundamental side. But basically, let's give it to make it more clear. This is the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. This target is rational from a fundamental side. If Bitcoin right now will explode like with an insane rally, another leg up to $42,000, $42,000, $40,000, with a big rally, big buying pressure here, maybe, okay, the maximum target is going to be this one, the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. And that's the maximum for Kaspa. More odds I give to go back to 15 cents and maybe consolidation 14 to 15 cents on this area. It's quite hard even to touch the 16 cents area right now without any institutional investor to invest multi-millions, okay? We need institutional investors to pump further, because otherwise, guys, everyone is super bullish on Kaspa. If everyone was going to buy at this top, the price would explode. Okay, why the price is in a consolidation all of these days? Because there is no interest. Retail investors are in exhaustion. Okay, the buying pressure from retail investors are in exhaustion. All we need now is institutional investors, and institutional investors don't need us to buy at this high price, because they know they are not stupid. I told you this thing plenty times. They are not stupid to buy the top. I don't say that it's impossible. It can happen. Okay, someone actually maybe would like to manipulate the other institutional investors too. Okay, because this doesn't mean that all institutional investors are moving in consensus. Obviously, someone would like to play his game, his cards with another opposite way. So yeah, only with institutional investors we can pump even further than 16 cents. Okay, with top tier exchange, maybe we can touch close to 20 cents, but we need a top tier exchange, big top tier exchange, to do like something that is gonna be very suddenly. Okay, that's gonna happen suddenly. I think it won't happen. Okay, this is why I tell you right now, if Bitcoin will move to 42, 41, $40,000 area, maybe the maximum target here is going to be the 16 cents. That's going to be also the technical price target of this symmetrical triangle. This is why, guys, always I rely my analysis into both combination fundamentals and technicals. Okay, not 100% into technical analysis, because right now we're supposed to go to 16 to 17 cents from a technical side, but as you can clearly see, we don't always move with TA. It's 75% fundamentals, 25% technicals, especially for projects like Kaspa. Okay, traders cannot pump by themselves the price too high. We need also fundamental news. Anyway, so we have also this very crucial, guys, support line. Don't forget it. Okay, really fast I will tell you the targets. If we're gonna break that support line, and also Bitcoin will break, because obviously Bitcoin can do a reversal. I believe Bitcoin will have a retest of this yellow line, and that is a very crucial support now. Previously was very big resistance of the bear market 2022, 2023, and also very big support of 2021, the bull run. Okay, so I believe we're gonna have a retest here before the next bounce to the upside. But all of these are hypothetical, because if we're gonna see like the early days of January, the ETF approvals, maybe the price will go parabolic straight to $50,000, and maybe we will start the bull run even earlier. But for some reason, I don't believe it's gonna happen that early. Okay, I don't believe that we're gonna see BTC ETFs approvals in early days of January. Anyway, that's for another topic. And also, guys, we have probabilities to retest the 200 daily moving average. And I believe at that point, maybe of the drop, maybe the 200 daily moving average is going to be exactly at this support. So here, maybe it's going to happen a very strong bounce if we will see the drop. Okay, and if this scenario of Bitcoin will play out, then, guys, Kaspa has targets like we're going to break this support, this aggressive uptrend support. Okay, it's gonna drop back to this 0.09293 cents area. This is gonna be very big buying pressure. We will have consolidation here. Even if Wells will try to dump even more the price, we're gonna have the first big buying pressure from here. If actually the selling pressure will win and Bitcoin will do free fall to touch this $31,000 area and FAD emerge, obviously we will touch this FAD line. Worst case scenario 7 cents, more likely scenario, okay, 0.075 cents within 0.085 cents. Depends the FAD, and depends how strong the paper hands and how actually the buying pressure will be at that time. The retail investors buy at those zones, or they're gonna be fearful and they're gonna believe into the FAD and they're gonna wait for further more price drop. Okay, because obviously at these areas in this FAD line, as I call it, we will listen news like Kaspa will drop to 4 cents. Some theories that have no correlation with the reality. Okay, and some people for this reason maybe won't create buying pressure. This is why maybe we will touch here this FAD line. Anyway, we will see. We are ready for everything. I do daily dollar cost average. If the price will drop, I'm ready to buy a big bag. Okay, I won't throw my big bag here, because if the price will drop into the FAD line, you won't have like money, okay, funds available to buy this opportunity. So especially if you have already big packed bag, you don't need to hurry, you need to build patience, you don't need to FOMO at the tops, always FOMO at the bottoms. And that's the current situation from the TA side, from Kaspa and Bitcoin. And guys, if you need help for that, I recommend you guys to join into our Patreon group, WealthNet. We are right now above 130 people. The group is growing. And guys, I recommend you, like, if you need a guidance. And also, recently, I gave you my second strongest pick after Kaspa, with really good fundamentals and very big potential. It's already 3-4x up. Before a couple of weeks, we had the 88s. I was like 5x up. Some people were like 5 and 6x up. And also, because you requested a lot, I gave a couple gambling picks for me that I believe got some good potential for the short-term gains. As you can clearly see in the Discord WealthNet, you will see the gambling portfolio here. Have some buy signals, and these signals are ready for imminent short-term gains. So if you're interested for these things, plus the private live stream, plus the guidance, and plus the good vibes of the group, we build friendships, we have lots of fun. I recommend you to join, okay? Do not forget that, especially for Kaspa, we are ready to buy every single bottom, because this is what we did, okay, in the past. We bought every single bottom of Kaspa. And this is actually what we're gonna do again. Anyway, let's move straight right now into the news, into this analyst that predicts this altcoin, and he speaks and he reference to Kaspa set to outshine Bitcoin. What he actually wrote here, he says that Kaspa is really great altcoin, and he's very bullish on Kaspa. And guys, I would like to speak for something. This guy said that he bought, look, at 5 cents. Okay, this is insane, because in 5 cents we have already took a position. Look how many times. Look how many times you have took a position. Okay, this is why I don't wait actually to listen any single analyst from Fidelity, because Fidelity is a very big institution, okay, of investors. It's very big investment company, and as you understand, they have very big experts. And this is why I tell you that lots of big institutional investors will buy Kaspa way later on, when they're gonna be ensured that this project is safe. This guy's throwing multi-millions and sometimes even billions. So this is why these people are waiting to be ensured that this project is going to be safe. Okay, they would like to test it before they're going to buy. They don't care that much for this 100x potential that, as we look as retail investors, they would like to be very sure that this amount that they're going to put, that it's going to come back like 5x back, 4x back. They don't care for that huge amount, because they don't care. Like, they got $50 million, like they would like to invest $50 million. They don't care to make those 2 billion, like they are already rich. Their life won't change. Okay, they want to be very sure to each step that they do. This is why these guys are actually find way later couple cryptos and couple investments. Okay, they don't actually they're not gem hunters, like, to tell you that with that way. Anyway, guys, this doesn't say absolutely nothing. The people who say Kaspa ETFs are coming, this is wrong. Maybe Fidelity has the eyes right now also into Kaspa. They are looking on that. Yeah, you can say that is a good way maybe for a potential Kaspa ETF, but this post here doesn't mean that we're gonna see Kaspa ETFs soon. Okay, the sooner that I could potentially see Kaspa ETFs is like at 2029. In the next bull run, maybe we will have, yeah, Kaspa ETFs if Kaspa follows all its promises. Okay, and with Rustlang, Dark Knight, and especially if we're gonna see potential smart contracts, it's gonna be the game over. But we'll see. This is obviously bullish. Even that we know that they got their eyes into Kaspa so early. This is bullish, this is a good sign, but it doesn't mean that we're gonna see Kaspa ETFs like the next month or whatever. Okay, ETPs maybe will come, Kaspa ETP will come, as we saw the post before a couple weeks. And guys, that's what I would like to tell you on this video. I hope you enjoyed that. Appreciate you so much again for the insane support and the love that you show me every day. And also in my first live stream was incredible. Like, still I cannot believe it. how many people and how big support was, like incredible. I'm here for you. I will be always by your side, guys. You gave me so much motivation yesterday. You cannot even imagine. I was motivated a lot, but yesterday was something else. Crazy. Thank you from the bottom of my heart again. Don't forget also to check WealthNet Patreon group, because guys, as you know, WealthNet designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. It's a group, it's a Discord group, and WealthNet is actually a like-minded community. Okay, multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, crypto analysts, whatever you can imagine is inside on WealthNet. And in WealthNet, you will learn from experienced people who have already succeeded in the crypto field, okay, and right now enjoy a wealthy life. You will learn far more than just buy and sell signals. We speak for lots of interesting parts, and you will receive a proper investing guidance to avoid very basic mistakes that everyone does in his first bull run or whatever, okay, no matter how many years you are in this space. If you come here, you will see another way of experience, okay? You'll get the proper guidance to avoid mistakes. So highly recommended. And guys, for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos, cold storage is the answer, the safest way, okay? And Tadzem Wallet is my recommendation. I believe Tadzem Wallet is the best cold storage that you can use. With a discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off in your first purchase. If you click here, the Tadzem link, actually it's gonna put you in that page. And if you press get Tadzem up right in the corner, you're gonna be on this page. And I recommend you to choose 3-card set over the 2-card set. Don't forget to use the promo code here, okay, CryptoChris, to get the discount, and you will sleep very well at the night. Choose the 3-card set because safety is your priority here, okay? Don't risk like to lose a card and have stress that if you're gonna lose the other card, you are about to lose your funds, okay, your cryptos. So 3-card set and you'll sleep very well at night. And that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you a lot. And I will see ya all in my next video. Till my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.